Welcome back on board, guys. Combo card for Pixeltap by Pixelverse today. Now let's head straight to the point. The first thing you have to do now is to claim this point here. That's the first thing to do. So after you must have claimed it, then you head over to the rewards section. So if you get to the reward section, the first thing you have to do is to claim your daily reward. Just here, you claim your daily reward. Today is day 5. So after claiming it, you then come over to the daily combo. Now listen to what I'm going to say. Just listen very attentively. Shebi you una dey see this thing now. Una dey see my reward here. So if I'm to claim today's daily combo, that means I'll be having 912,000 coins. But there is actually a way which you can like upgrade it, or which you can make it bigger than this. And that is the trick that I'm going to be showing you right here and right now. Now, this is what you have to do. Just go back. Let's go back and then come right over to the fights section. Just click on fights. All right, so I just bought a new boat today. I bought a new boat, and then the next thing I have to do is to upgrade it. I need 5,000 coins to upgrade it, so I'll upgrade it once, then I upgrade again, then I still upgrade again. All right, and I upgrade it again. Okay, now let me go back. So you can see here I am having 2.9 million coins remaining. Now let me just head over to the reward section again and then click on combo. Now I don't know if you noticed something. Just look at this. This is now 1,152,000 coins, which I am eligible to claim when I get this daily combo. As of them, it was 900 and something, Abby, but now it is 1.1 million coins. So if you want to keep increasing this, if you want to keep increasing it, make sure you are upgrading your boats. Make sure, even if it's possible, you are buying new boats. Okay, so buying new boats now is just a bit similar to that of Hamster Combat, where they told you you should not save your coins, but you should try to invest in cards. So try to invest in buying and upgrading your boats right over here on Pixeltap by Pixelverse. All right, now straight to the point of the day. Let's get it down. If you are choosing these combo cards, or these combo boats, you just have to be very, very careful because most of them are similar. Okay, so these are the boats that we are going to be choosing today. The first one is this. The second one is this one. You see this dude you see over here. The third one is this one, and then the last is this. Now let's follow suits. The first one goes here, the second one goes here, the third one goes here, and then the last one comes here. Okay, now the next thing to click is check. Now if you check it, you are going to see that we got it exactly, and we are about to claim our 1,152,000 points. Now let me just click on claim, and once I click on claim, I have already claimed it. Let me come back to the end section. Now you can see that we are having 4.12 million coins. Okay, so it's just very simple and easy as that. Remember, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, make sure you give this video a like. It's very important. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification, join our social handles on WhatsApp and Telegram via the links on the description section of this video, so that you're not going to miss out on our updates. So guys, this is it about combo of today on Pixeltap by Pixelverse. Thank you and see you in my next video.